How to add a website shortcut to iPhone or iPad home screen. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add a website shortcut to iPhone or iPad home screen. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to add a website shortcut to iPhone or iPad home screen, go ahead and open Safari on your device and further open the website you want to add to your home screen. Once opened, tap on the Share button on the bottom center of the screen and in the window that appears, scroll through and find the Add to Home Screen option and tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, change the name of the shortcut if you want. For instance, I will remove Home from there. Make sure that it is only the name that you can change. You cannot change the URL or the app icon. Once you are done making the changes, tap on the Done option on the top right, and now if you go back to your home screen, you will be able to see the shortcut you just created. So this is how you can add a website shortcut to iPhone or iPad home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.